Hello everyone. So we are wrapping up this section of connecting and shaping data in Power BI. So in this last session, I want to talk about the best practices when connecting and shaping data in Power BI. Now the first one is that you need to get yourself organized even before loading any data into Power BI. You would need to define the clear and intuitive table names right from the start, and doing this will save you a ton of time in the future, as updating table names can be a big headache down the road, especially if you have referenced them in multiple places like the DAX measure. Now, one recommendation I would give is not to use spaces in the table names, because doing that will mean you would need to surround those table names with single quotes every time you reference them. And also, I will highly recommend establishing a clear and organized file and folder structure. Now, this is very important to avoid having to modify data source settings if those files names and their location changes in the future. Number 2, I will recommend disabling report refresh settings for any static sources in the model, because at the end of the day, there is no need to constantly refresh those settings that don't update frequently in cases like lookups or static data settings. And then the final but not the least is when working with large data sets, it is very important for you to only load the data that you need. So in such cases, you don't include hourly data when you only need daily data, or you don't include product level transaction when you care so much about the store level performance, because doing this will actually slow you down. Okay, extra data will slow you down. And of course, you need to know that these changes over time. So you need to be very careful when working with large data. So with this, we have come to the end of the connecting and shaping data aspect. So we'll move forward to the next aspects of Power BI, which has to do with the modeling. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.